Think you're a math genius? Let's see if your logic can keep up. You've got just 5 seconds per question. Solve it before time runs out. A number, when multiplied by 3, gives the same result as when 12 is added to it. What is the number? The correct answer is B, 6. If you add a number to itself and then add 10, the total is 30. What is the number? The correct answer is C, 10. A rectangle has length twice its width. Its area is 72. What is the width? The correct answer is B, 6. Solve for x. 5 3 equals 2 plus 12. The correct answer is C, 5. Start with 250. First increase it by 20%, then decrease the result by 20%. What is the final number? The correct answer is A, 240. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 182. Which pair is it? The correct answer is B, 13 and 14. What is 15 times 6? The correct answer is C, 90. What is 120 divided by 8? The correct answer is C, 15. What is 35% of 200? The correct answer is C, 70. If 9 squared plus 7 squared equals, then find the answer. The correct answer is C, 130. Nice work! The first 10 were just a warm-up. But the next ones? They'll test how fast your brain really thinks. What is 15% of 480 plus 12% of 250? The correct answer is A, 102. If a car travels 150 kilometers in 2.5 hours, what is its speed, kilometer h? The correct answer is B, 60. If 2x plus 6 is equal to 14, find the value of x. The correct answer is B, 4. Solve for x. 5x, 10 is equal to 20. The correct answer is A, 6. If 3x plus 4 is equal to 19, what is 2x plus 5? The correct answer is D. 15. If for x, 3 is equal to 9, what is the value of 3x plus 2? The correct answer is C. 11. If 2x plus 3y equals 22 and x plus y equals 9, find x, y. The correct answer is B. 4. If 3x, 2y equals 12 and x plus y equals 8, what is the value of x? The correct answer is B. 6. Solve for x. 6 times x plus 4 is equal to 46. The correct answer is B. 7. Solve for x. 5 plus 9 times x equals 86. The correct answer is B. 9. You've made it this far, impressive. But now it's time for the ultimate logic test. Only true math minds finish strong. Solve for x. For x2 equals 28. The correct answer is C. 9. Solve for x. 2x plus 3, 5 is equal to 15. The correct answer is C. 7. Given the system xy equals 2, 2x plus y equals 16. Find x. The correct answer is C. 6. Solve for x. The correct answer is B. 30. A box contains 6 red balls and 4 blue balls. How many balls are there in total? The correct answer is C. 10. A train travels 60 kilometers in 1 hour. How far will it travel in 3.5 hours at the same speed? The correct answer is C. 210 kilometers. A shop sells 3 pens for $6. How much will 7 pens cost at the same rate? The correct answer is C. $14. A car uses 8 liters of fuel to travel 120 kilometers. How many kilometers can it travel with 20 liters of fuel? The correct answer is C. 300 kilometers. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 96. What are the numbers? The correct answer is A. 30, 32, 34. A man spends 2/5 of his salary on rent, 1/4 on food, and saves the rest. If he earns $2,000, how much does he save? The correct answer is B is $700. Great job! How many logic puzzles did you solve correctly? Comment your score below and tag a friend who loves brain challenges.